One way to organize your activities with other teachers is to include your name and subject in the title of your activity. So right now I'm in activity name, and before what the activity is, I'm going to write my name and then a dash, and then I'm going to write ELA, colon, space, and then
what my activity is.
And that way, if all lessons start with Mrs. Whoever or Mr. Whoever, dash, and then the subject area, the students will be able to find it, and it'll be a little bit cleaner in the activity feed, and you'll be able to see who assigned what. So when you're in your activities as a teacher, this is what it's going to look like. It'll show the teachers, the assigning teacher and the subject they teach, and then the name of
The activity.
So as you scroll through, it's very easy to know that this is Mrs. Couch's art, and the assignment is to create a drawing or a photo of a pattern found in nature. And as you're going through, again, there's Mr. Carney, physical education. There's Mrs. Kinka, ELA, cause and effect.
So this naming convention will help organize your activity feed for co-teachers and for your students.
So I'm logged in as a student now, and if I'm in the activity feed, I look and I notice I have an assignment. I know who the teacher is, I know what the subject is, and I know what the title of the project is. And as I'm scrolling through, I know who the teacher is and what subject they teach. So this is just a naming convention to help the students and teachers find who the assigning teacher is
and what subject they teach and what the activity is.